Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to find deleted apps on your iPhone. First, you'll need to go into App Store. From here, you're going to tap on your profile pic in the top right hand corner. Then you'll see Purchased. You're going to tap on that. And from here, any one of the apps that you see with a cloud icon beside it pointing down, that means that that app has been deleted, and you can simply scroll along. But if you would like to check on all of your deleted apps, you'll simply tap on Not on this iPhone, and from here you'll be able to see apps from as far back as long as you have had your Apple ID. So for example, if I should scroll all the way down to the end, you can see that I can find deleted apps from as far back as March 2013. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.